In 1975, the ITC enters into hotel business with the acquisition of a hotel in Chennai which was renamed Hotel Kola and now known as My Fortune. Now ITC has more than 100 hotels at 70 plus destinations. ITC Hotels headquarters is at ITC Green Center, Gurugram. Hello friends, I am Naveen Chahal. Welcomes you on Hospitality Broadcast. Today we will discuss about ITC group of hotels. ITC hotels are classified under 4 distinct brands. These are ITC Hotels, Luxury Collection, Welcome Hotels, Fortune Hotels, and Welcome Heritage. The luxury segment has an exclusive tie-up with the Luxury Collection of the world-renowned The Luxury Collection brand of Starwood Hotels. ITC Hotels Luxury Collection are super deluxe and premium hotels. There are 12 hotels under this category with more than 3,000 rooms at 9 destinations. ITC Grand Bharat in Gurugram is the latest entry in this list. Welcome Hotels offer 5-star hospitality for the discerning business and leisure travelers. Currently, there are 14 hotels under this brand at 13 destinations. It has also tied up with Sheraton International Chain Hotels. Fortune Hotels. Fortune Hotels operates mid-market to upscale properties in the first-class, full-service business hotel segment all over India, promising business and leisure travelers a wide choice of destinations. Welcome Heritage. Welcome Heritage brings together a chain of palaces, forts, havelis, and resorts that offer a unique experience. ITC hotels also offer some of the unique accommodation facilities like suite rooms with opulence, luxury, comfort, and style. The ITC One rooms are more spacious, which showcase a perfect synergy of grand living, contemporary workplace, and impeccable service. ITC One offer butler service for every need of the discerning guest on each floor. The tower rooms are embodiment of a hotel within a hotel. The tower rooms are located in a separate block offering services that are tailored to satisfy every need of the discerning guests. The Executive Club is an accommodation concept geared to meet the needs of discerning business traveler, keeping in mind the valuable time of the guests. EVA rooms are designed specially to pamper the lady guests and tailor-made to meet the specific need of the lady guests. EVA rooms are attended by an exclusive team of dedicated lady associates. ITC Hotels is one of the first luxury hotel chains in India to introduce luxury dining cuisine through its iconic brands. The Bukhara and Peshawari restaurants are specialized in outdoor cuisine of Northwest Frontier Province. Dakshin, on the contrary, brings together the highly evolved cuisines of the 4 southern states of India: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Dampak, a unique restaurant, is dedicated to a 200-year-old culinary tradition of slow cooking food. Coming to the sumptuous fare at K&K, it comprises of a mouth-watering array of kebabs and a wide range of dishes from all over India. Westview. Westview also brings a careful selection of Western cuisines. The Pan-Asian serves specialities from China, Thailand, Mongolia, Japan, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. Royal Vega displays a delightful offering of delectable vegetarian food from the magnificent royal kitchens of India. Pan Asian Cuisine Studio, the new gourmet experience, unfolds an amalgamation of creative Asian flavors and culinary masterpieces from Japan, Korea, Thailand, China, and beyond. Except these iconic brands, Nutmeg at ITC brings the finest selection of confectionery under one roof. The Nutmeg is a one-stop destination for your gourmet fantasies. The Pavilion, a 24-hour multi-cuisine restaurant at selected ITC hotels properties, offer a delectable variety of fine dining fare throughout the week for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Rated amongst one of the world's 25 finest bars, Dublin is the perfect cozy space for light meals, snacks and cocktails throughout the day and evening. Intervened with a matchless selection of single malts, blends, wines, mixes and cocktails. Kayakalp. Kayakalp spas are deeply rooted in traditional Indian wellness philosophies. Exotic beauty treatments, relaxing massage and ancient Ayurvedic rituals go into creating an experience that is meaningful to each person at a spiritual level. Kayakalp, the spa, also offers Western-style therapies using luxurious products and an array of hair and beauty services. In loyalty or recognition programs, some benefits in terms of discount coupons, vouchers are provided to guests, or some points are provided with each booking which later can be redeemed against some fixed amount. Club ITC program provides benefits on room bookings and other accommodation services. Under Club ITC Culinary, benefits are provided on fine dining, fine living and fine fashion. Welcome Link program is specially designed for our business partners. Members earn Welcome Link point at 1% of eligible room revenue for every materialized room night, which can be redeemed for a host of lifestyle rewards. ITC Hotels Executive Travel Value Plan. Company's executives enjoy special room rates at nearly 100 participating ITC hotels. ETVP works on a prepayment and dispenses with the need to quantify business potential and negotiate rates each time travel is undertaken. ITC Hospitality Management Institute offers the best hospitality management training in the country. ITC HMI was established in 1976 with the advent of its management training program. The institute has been the proud recipient of the Golden Peacock National Training Award for outstanding commitment in training and development of human resource for 5 consecutive years. The Hotel Management Training Program is an 18-month program specializing in the core disciplines of hotel operations. The program leads to a management position in core operations. The management training program of 1 year is also available in sales and marketing, engineering, revenue, finance, and HR. Graduate Hospitality Program launched in 2018. It is a 2-year program and intake graduate from any discipline. This program inducts them to the industry and groom them as prospective managers in front of the house departments. Welcome Lead. Welcome Lead is a 3-year undergraduate program for 12th passed students. It develops young professionals delivering exceptional hospitality services. The candidates gets degree in Bachelor of Arts Tourism Studies from IGNOU. Apart from getting the Welcome Lead certification and experience from ITC Hotels. ITC Welcome Group is also associated with Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, a constituent college of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Here is the summary of ITC Group of hotels discussed in this video. If you like the video, please hit like button, comment for suggestions, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you for watching Hospitality Broadcast.